Okay. So very good evening to everyone once again. I can see few members are very, very regular and they are part of ProTouch family. I welcome you all. However, this topic is very close to my heart. That is work-life balance. Yes, many also ask me this question every now and then, right from my team members, my colleagues, my friends, that, how are you able to manage work-life balance? And this is the topic was given by one of our last webinars participant that, we need to have such kind of sessions. And hence we have taken this particular session. Okay. And, you all are here uh, to attend the session. So I would like to know, what has motivated you, you know, and you're attending today's session. Let me know in the chat box. What is the motivation or what is the objective of attending today's session? Let me know in the chat box, please. I'm eagerly waiting for your messages. Yes. What is the objective of attending today's session? Yes, let me see who posts the comment first. Okay, want to that is obvious, right, madam? What kind of question is this? Want to have balanced life with work. I think it has defined really well. Want to have balanced life. Okay, sessions of ProTouch are very helpful. I mean, that is amazing. Feeling really blessed to have this. To learn optimum utilization of time. Excellent. That is nice. One, yes, great. So let's define before we go ahead. Varsha is saying to understand how productively use the division of time. Amazing, Varsha. Great. Let's see if someone else is also writing. Let me see one more comment if it is there. Because you also had a lot of work today. However, you have opted to attend this workshop or have this session. Okay, so even after work hours, I'm busy, and at times I'm confused how to handle the situation. Absolutely, Rashmi, this is what uh, I can relate with this comment. Multitasking at right now. Okay, there is a possibility you might be driving, you are doing some kitchen work. There is a possibility, you are attending two sessions at the time. You are logged in the office, Zoom also, and you are logged in from other device here. There is a possibility. There is a possibility. Great. So I would like to know one thing from all of you, that what is work for you? How do you define work? Because there are two words, right? Work and life. So how do you define work? What is work for you? Passion? Okay, Varsha, great. Yes. What is work? Isn't it a very important question we need to ask to ourselves? Happiness. That's great, Chandni. Okay, attending the webinar just out of curiosity to learn something. I think that is also great. Objective lifestyle. Saloni is saying lifestyle. Using my skills to lead life. Okay, what is work? What is work? So the question is second question I asked just now. What is work for you? Profession, personal work. That's good, Niti. Okay, it's a professional work. It can be personal work also. Work means using intelligence in a proper way. Okay, that is another thing has come into the picture. And then what is life? What is life? Isn't it very important to all of us to know what is life? Work is happiness. Okay, what is life for all of us? Anything that gives us goal to do. Okay, that is work. Okay, happiness with responsibility. Okay, what is life? Happiness is life. Life is learning for you. Okay, memories, roller coaster, amazing. Life is everything. Yeah, but what is that? Still, what is that? What is life? Life means hope. Okay, Hassan. Life is just like a black hole right now. Total confusion. Okay. Support to pursue passion. Okay. Great journey. Life is a journey. Thank you, Anubhav, for that. Amazing. Thank you so much. And if you have, now let's take a pause and think that, when we say work life balance, what is your definition of work life balance? What is your definition? You can put it in one sentence. What is the definition of work life balance according to you? Because there are so many definitions, and definitions will change, and everyone will have their own philosophy. So what is the work life balance definition for you? I can see ourselves smiling. Managing work, okay, and side hustles. Okay, Simran, that's nice. Okay, handle both with joy. I think that's wonderful. Being yourself, quality contribution, and enjoying both. Taking out time for your responsibilities, both work and personal life. When we able to manage work and life together, amazing, Saloni. Maintaining work and other aspects of life, working smartly. That is what Ritika said. Okay, Ritika. Managing time for yourself, Sai. Great. So Afzal is saying, according to me, work life is whatever work done is brings happiness to me. Okay, that is work life. Great. So on that note, I think we should be able to define work-life balance maybe towards the end of today's session. Okay. And today I intend to give you two tools which you will be able to use in your day-to-day life. Are you excited to know about it? Yes? Are you excited to know about it? Yes. Okay. That's great. When there was a time when I was expecting to have, work-life balance in my life. However, my experience of work-life balance was completely different. So I thought of, bringing that to you today. And I found very important thing that, there is one myth. There is one myth around work-life balance, right? Anyone would like to put a myth around work-life balance? What do you think? It's a myth. Is it a reality? What is a myth around work-life balance? You can unmute yourself also. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can unmute yourself. If you want to put it in the chat box, you can put it in the chat box, you know. Yes, balancing work and personal life. Yes. But is there any myth around it when we are working? Employers, yes, balancing itself is a myth. I mean, that's a wonderful and powerful line. So, there are few myths around work-life balance. Let me share my presentation with all of you and see that, what is it that myth is that we can't balance together perfectly. So if you look at it, I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Very important when we are working anywhere, the first myth we come across is my organization or my manager should take care of my work-life balance. Now, does that thought comes to your mind? My manager, so much work, and my company should give me Saturday, Sunday off. Do you recall those days? I don't know. There are many, people from generations who are here who used to feel, like we all had 7 days working. I mean, Sunday used to be off only seven, Then we started with Saturday half day. Then we started with Saturday, Sunday off. And today, if you look at it, everyone wants to work. There was a news that it should be only 4 days working. And people are still struggling with work-life balance. And you think that we all think that my company should give me less work and I will be able to have my work-life balance. Yes or no? And most of the time we think that when we are working, when we are working, that is the time we need to have work-life balance. How many of you have also, also faced that, that I was not working and still I was struggling with work-life balance. I had enough time. I was not even working. And still I had work-life balance issues. Then who should give me less work? Who should give me less work? Your family? You yourself? Who is giving you work? So I think sometimes I feel it's like a salary. There was a time when I was happy in 2,000 rupees per month. There was a time when I was happy in 8,000 rupees per month. Now, after getting 60,000 also, I'm not happy. Am I making sense to all of you? Yes? Don't you think whatever time we are getting, it is also every day, right? There was something I said last time also. Every day we get 8,600 clicks of clock. Everyone, rich, poor, employer, employee, working people, non-working people, anyone, every nation, every country, every state. Am I right? Nature is not doing anything wrong against anyone. Like, okay, you are rich, I will give you less time. You are not rich, I will give you more time. You are man, I will give you this. No. What makes a difference is what we do with that time. Isn't it? So first of all, the myth around work-life balance is my organization and my manager should give me less work. And once the person will give me less work, I will be able to achieve work-life balance. Now let me see who completes this next statement. What is the statement? Work-life balance is all about, I could see this line, what is in my mind is changing though. Work-life balance is all about, complete the sentence. What is the word there? What do you think? Professional and personal life. Okay, Vikrant, nice to have your first comment. Okay, Dr. Himani saying prioritizing, how passionate towards the work you are. Okay. Sometimes there is another myth we have. Okay, time management, Surabhi is saying, work-life balance is all about women. Who needs work-life balance? We women need work-life balance. Why? Because we have a dual responsibility. Oh, you don't need what work-life balance you need? You are not even married. Oh, you are in school. What work-life balance you will need? Am I making any sense here? Right? And what is the conclusion of this then? Work-life balance is all about us. Each and every one, men, women, children, adults, or not adults, senior citizens. So many times we say, what work-life balance you need? You are at home. Each and every one of us needs work-life balance today. The first myth, what is it that we say? We said only organization, need to give me work-life balance. Let me tell you one thing, the truth today. Not a single organization can give you work-life balance, because asking that is fundamentally wrong. Do you recall the definition of organization? When two or more people come together to achieve profit. That is called organization. And please understand, very simple rule, limited resources, maximum output. That is the model organizations work in. How can we even expect that to happen? Yes or no? They can facilitate you. They can facilitate you, but they cannot take care of your work-life balance. It's you. Second very important thing, don't think that only one person or working women. Of course, let me tell you one fact today that yes, women do have dual responsibility at home as well as at workplace. 100% the work is more. However, we cannot ignore each and every one of us needs work-life balance. And the second is one can lead a perfect balanced life. One can lead a perfect balanced life. Let me ask you one thing. Have you done that balancing act? Sometimes it can be keeping books on your head. It can be, spoon and lemon race. It can be, balancing on that rope sometimes. Isn't it? How long are you able to do it?
Just a couple of minutes.
Just a couple of minutes. And how much stress you have, Manaswini, that time?
It was like I keep books or else a bezel on my head and do like this, like this. I'll be doing it like that.
Tell me, in those 2-3 minutes, you will experience highest level of stress.
Yes, true.
Right?
Yeah.
Right? Because it is impossible to have that balance. It is impossible to have that balance. It is like, see, when you sit near the beach, you will see, water is coming and, everything. But every time its experience is different. Please understand one thing, even though you balance, let me tell you, even though you balance, you will not be able to do it for a very long time. Don't be harsh on yourself. What is it that you need to manage is only one day which is coming in front of you. Which is coming in front of you. This is one day. Today, what are my things are there? What is my priority? Today, maybe your team member is not coming. Maybe at home your maid is not coming. Maybe you need to go to the school of your child. Maybe you need to, you have some deadlines at workplace. Anything can happen. But what is important is managing that day. And that day you need to balance out. Then we are not robots. We cannot work like that. Okay, every day 6 o'clock, I get up and then I do this and then this is what happens. And it is not possible.
It's not as scheduled for every day. It's not every day. It is not only the regular schedule what we follow.
Because why it is not regular, Manaswani? Why it is not regular?
Actually, I take that word back. It's not regular, but it is regular. Of course, we work 5 days a week or 6 days a week. It's not the same schedule what we follow on a regular basis.
Why we don't have a same schedule on regular basis?
Tasks may prefer or priorities may change or time management will be less on one day or other day. The time management changes, prioritization changes, and
so very important here is your prioritization will change, your task will change, and very important at workplace, especially at workplace, what work you get is not in your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I making sense to everyone? Let me know in the chat box, please.
Yes.
So I'm also taking some insight from others, those who are attending. Great, Mansi, Snehal, thank you. Right? Why are we trying to be harsh? Why do we think that every day it has to be routine? Why can't we, why can't we say, okay, this one day, let me see what is my schedule and work on it? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Great. So, these are the myths we leave around that, first of all, very important thing is this: you are a whole and soul person of or in charge of your work-life balance. Organization, don't expect them to give you less work, right? It is fundamentally wrong. Third, each and every one of us needs work-life balance. So also see people around you and don't say that, okay, you are at home, you are a child and you will not need it. Now, what we are going to do right now is, if you have pen and paper, that will be really great. I will be showing you one, one slide, and you need to rate yourself on the scale of 1 to 10. Is that fine with you? You have to rate yourself on the scale of 1 to 10. You can take a screenshot of it, you can take a picture of it, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay? And that is how it is. And it is also known as wheel of life. What is it? Wheel of life. Now, very important it is here. There are many research have taken place. And if one want to live life successfully, there are certain factors which we need to consider to live life successfully. Okay. Now let me show you this. And keep your notebook and notepad on. Okay. You can see this. So now,
Yes,
for
ma'am.
example, you can unmute yourself. Whenever we will ask, I will certainly ask you to unmute. Fine. So now, for example, let's have a look at this. What is this? This is career. Okay. What do you think? On the scale of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, where are you? You need to rate yourself. So now, for example, I feel, let me see, Sam's, okay. I see in career, I think I'm here. On finance, like for example, how are your savings? How are your, how are you doing with your money? I may say I'm here. That is 2. Okay, so this is where you have to come outward. Physical and mental health. Where am I? So like that, I will give you 1 minute time. I'm maintaining the timer here. Let's see. Physical and mental health. Family and friends. How satisfied you are with your family and friends. Very important, your romantic relationships. That is your closed one, your partner. There is a possibility it is not there right now because maybe you don't have anyone right now. Spiritual. Now, it doesn't matter whether you are from which religion, but how much you are able to spend time on connecting with this universe or even a personal growth. How much you are, investing in learning. Fun and recreation, like for example, your hobbies. And physical environment. Now, this is very important here. Physical environment, we also mean to say that is, we all need to keep on changing our environments. Now, due to this lockdown and all, this has impacted a lot. The highest level of stress is we are not able to change our physical surroundings, our family members, our house. We are not able to go outside. So just rate yourself. You may get like this. Anyone, like this is the imaginary one I'm saying. If you want, you can also try to connect these dots. How am I connecting? Just have a look at it on the screen. For example, here.
What does the physical environment talk about?
Physical environment is changing your surrounding. Like for example, you know, as I mentioned just 2 minutes before, that is, are you changing your surroundings? Are you going outside, going to new places? And because of lockdown, it has impacted a lot because it has got a direct connection with your mental health. So if you look at it, these are the, you know, areas we all need to work if you want to have a fully satisfied life. Now, what I want to make here is that if I'm sure that you must have done with your numbering, there is a possibility that, you know, this is very much inside or career is here. Take out one point which you would like to work upon. Take out one point which you want to make a priority right now. Because we are going to have an activity based on that. Okay. And I'm going to give you one technique, how introspection can help you. Yes, Shalini, you have raised your hand.
Yes, doctor. Can you go through that slide once again?
Yes. Have you not taken the picture of it?
I have that picture. I have one doubt because of.
Sure, sure.
For example, you said that I want to pick one function in this overall slide. Just I'm focusing on the finance. So I
Okay.
want to build up in finance. So meanwhile, I want to again that will impact on my career and that will impact on my physical or mental strength also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why we are saying these are all connected points. These are all connected points. Getting my point? Any point which has got a lesser point, you will have a different impact on your life. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Yes, Manaswini.
Good evening, ma'am. I want to focus as on priority, like on physical and mental health, because as you have earlier mentioned earlier, due to lockdown, it's been everything interrelated and everything it's been connected to our physical and mental health. And nowadays, it's been all these consultants and all these been raising a lot. The numbers are raising a lot, and as of now my situation is also as same as the one that I'm facing right now. So I wanted to focus more on physical and mental health.
Okay, so everyone will have a point, Manaswini. Let's take everyone together here. Okay.
Yes.
So Afzal has also written physical environment cannot as such a expected. Yes. So now, for example, if you have looked at one point, now this is, we will be doing commonly. Okay. Whatever point you have looked at, like for example, you want to work on your physical health, right? Because it has got a lesser maybe marks right now here, right? Now, very important thing, please understand that I will be asking questions. So I want one person who can come forward with whom I can speak. Those who have not spoken till now. Yes, anyone who would like to say? Yes, Simran, please go ahead. Your mic is working properly, Simran?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you doing?
I am doing great, ma'am. Belated happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Belated happy birthday, ma'am. Long life to live and many wishes from our side.
Thank you so much, Manaswini. So Simran, will you be able to contribute because, you know, we are on public forum. So take any factor which you would like to work on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, I would like to take ahead for the career one.
Career one. Great. So now let's try to work on career break. Okay. Now there are some questions I will be asking. Everyone, please make sure that you have taken one point which you would like to work. I will be asking the question. You also need to jot down in your notebook. Is that fine with you? Simran will talk to me, but you will answer to yourself. Okay, great. So Simran, please let me know. Please
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me know that when you talk about career, what exactly you would like to work on?
Career, like due to this lockdown, our batch, like we are recently passed out from our MBA. Due to this
Okay.
lockdown, our career has been like not as we planned.
Great.
So
now-
working to get a profile which fits our skill sets.
So if I ask you one very important question, Simran, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of career for you right now?
Career, like to get a profile according to my skill sets, good
Okay.
profile
Okay,
which
one
fits
sec.
my skill
One
sets
sec.
and company.
Simran,
Yeah.
wait. What do you mean by good profile?
Good
Define that.
profile, like with
What makes
as
a
per
good profile?
package and
So, what is the package you want?
package like 5 to 6 lakh per
5
annum.
to 6 lakhs. Okay, great. What else is good profile for you?
Profile which enhance like which will help me to show what skills I have and also to contribute to the organization goal set what they have from the specific profile.
Okay, so for example, I have a sales profile.
Yeah.
Okay, and in that sales profile, that is where the organization growth lies. Will that be good career for you?
If I am from the marketing and sales, no ma'am, I'm from the HR. So like
So what is
HR,
that?
if HR, the profile will be into the recruitment, which will be helping the organization to get the right candidate on board. So the target which will be there for like.
Great. So HR is what
Yeah.
you want. So HR profile. Are you getting my point? So let's be very specific about it. When you say HR profile, right? You want to have a HR profile, 5 to 6 per
Yeah.
annum. You are
Yeah.
how much experience you have?
2 years, ma'am.
2 years experience you have. In which area?
HR journalist.
HR generalist. Okay. So do you think 5 to 6 lakhs getting a package is possible looking at all the external factors?
Yes, ma'am. Like after having a 2-year experience, starting like as in a corporate sees the last CTC.
Okay.
Yeah. So the last looking into that, I may get if I will be focused on that.
Great. So now another question for you here for you. What is the actions you need to take to get 5 to 6 lakhs, per annum package in HR? What are the actions you need to take?
First, I have to look into current market trends and the competition, what's going on in the same profile, what they are looking for, and upgrading my skill set according to that.
One sec. So market understanding, am I right?
Yes. Yes,
What do you
ma'am.
think? What are the top 3 skills are required right now?
For HR journalist profile, ma'am?
Yes. See, right now only your profile I'm talking about. Yes.
Okay.
What skills you need?
First is about networking and communication.
Networking. So networking and communication, nahi, networking.
Sorry, yeah. Networking.
Because these are very different. Okay, communication. What else?
Yeah, communication, networking, and proactive, I would say.
Can you please define more? What is proactive?
Like working under pressure, working in as it's lockdown time, so handling the pressure according to the requirement. Like yeah.
So stress management, you can say.
Yeah, stress management. Yeah, so
Like targets and all, everything. Great.
Yeah.
So now if I ask you to rate yourself on networking on the scale of 1 to 10, what is the scale you will give it to yourself?
6.
Okay. How about communication?
Communication, I would say 7. Yeah, 6 to 7.
Stress management?
5.
Great. So now, for example, if you want to move this networking to 6 to 9,
Yeah.
communication to 7 to 9, and stress management 5 to 7 for that matter. Okay,
Yes.
let's focus on networking. What you need to do?
To interact as much as possible to the unknown people through
Action. Will
yeah.
unknown talking to unknown people will help you.
Network, not only that, but also it may consider like some percentage, but not only to unknown, to known also whom we are working with in.
Please understand here. Will networking. Okay. Okay. To known
Yeah.
also. So
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
known, unknown. Very
Yeah.
important. Who will help you to give your job? Right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So how many people you would like to talk? What do you think? What should be the number?
On a daily basis, like how, ma'am? Like your
Any way you can say. Maybe in a week, how many people you need to meet?
maybe, ma'am, 5 to 10 in a week to interact to
Is it comfortable for you? Will you be able to do this?
Yes, ma'am. 10, not more than 10 in a week.
10 in a week. Very good.
Yeah.
Communication, what you need to do?
To improve whatever, like
So what I will do, looking at the time, let's work on your networking right now. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now let me ask you one thing, that if you need to talk to 10 people in a week, right? How will you do it? How you can connect with people?
Best would be, ma'am, LinkedIn, or getting the like their details, like email ID.
So I will say social media. Do you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
only
Social media.
do you think that getting email ID will help you?
No, ma'am. That's just LinkedIn or social media where I can interact them.
Okay,
And
social media. Great. Where else?
I not coming anything in my mind apart from social media right now.
Okay. So if you want to meet 10 people in a week, right? On
Yeah.
social media,
Yeah.
right? Do you think the score will go to 6 to 9?
If I meet face to face, then but by social media, I not
So
sure
on
that it will be
social media, then how many people you should meet?
in a week, like
Or approach. Let's say approach how many people?
approach, it should be more than 10. It should
Of
be
course,
more
yes.
than 10. Yeah.
So how many?
In a week, I should target 20 to 25, like 30 in a week.
Okay. So I will say approach 30.
Yeah.
Am I right? Approach
Yes, ma'am.
30 and then talk to 10, right?
Yeah.
How
Yes,
much
ma'am.
time do you think that you will need to give in a week to approach 30 people?
1 hour.
When would you like to give it this in a week?
In evening time, looking both, like
Evening, what time?
Most, between 7 to 8 or on 9 to 10.
Okay, 7 to 8. Can we finalize right now?
Yeah, 7 to 8. Yes, ma'am.
Right. What
Yeah.
day you would like to send them request, because you need to approach 30 people?
Monday.
Okay, Monday you would like to do it?
Yes.
Excellent. So Monday 1 hour. Do you think if you give it for your social networking, do you think that you will be able to go ahead to
Yeah,
reach
if I
more
be
people?
consistent on that.
Excellent. So now I would like to ask you, so very important, consistency, right?
Yeah.
Very good. So to have this consistency, what do you think, what can be your internal barriers? What will come in your way on Monday evening 7 to 8?
Maybe my meeting, because I work night shift.
Okay, meeting can come, like that is not. How can you make sure that this should not be the barrier?
Okay, so
And very important, please understand this meeting is an external barrier.
okay.
Hana? I'm
Yes,
asking you the internal barrier. Internal means from you within to achieve this.
not scheduling anything apart from this, keeping that in my mind that I have to approach that, because I have fixed that time as approaching those. So not
Absolutely, right.
scheduling anything apart from this.
So that will help you. So barriers, what will come in way? That means you may plan something else in this time. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
this you should not do,
yeah.
right? One thing.
Yes.
What else can come in your way that you will not do? What else will come in your consistency?
Uh,
Procrastination will happen maybe.
yes, yes.
How will you overcome this procrastination? Please keep yourself on mute mode, please. How will you help on procrastination?
By avoiding everything and keeping one thing in the mind that has been set in the mind.
Okay, mind, very important. Block your
Yeah.
calendar, right?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
your journal, or maybe have accountability partner. Like for example, if I'm telling you, you will just write to me, Aparna, today I've sent 30, I have approached 30 people. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me this 1 hour in a week, do you think your chances of getting better profile and going ahead will be very high?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. What is the second you would like to work?
I would go
As far as our wheel is concerned. Others, please keep yourself on mute mode, please, I request. Yes. After career, what is it that you want to work?
finance, ma'am.
Excellent. Other than finance, what else you would like to work? Okay, let's take finance. What do you think finance is suffering?
Ma'am, I would go then with family and friends, because finance, I would say it's interrelated to the career only. Once it
Okay.
will be.
So friends and
Sorry
family?
to interrupt, but there's a lot of disturbance in my
My God, this slide will go otherwise, you know. One sec, let me see what I can do. Please mute yourself. Great. Okay. Now only who is talking? Mansi? No. With whom I was speaking?
Simran ma'am.
Simran. Simran, please unmute yourself.
Oh, sorry, I was mute.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay. What is it that you are missing in this area, Simran?
In family and friends,
Huh?
ma'am, as too much focused in career, so not able to give the time to family or friends.
Okay. So what do you think? How much time you should spend with your family and friends?
I would say, like, staying in home, I would say family, which I should give time 2 to 3 hours in a day. Maybe night or morning, whatever, like 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, 2 to 3 hours in a day. Now tell me
Yeah.
one thing, what gives you happiness spending time with them? It's just being with them or doing something with them?
Yeah, doing something, interacting with them and listening to them, and like, yeah.
Okay, interacting and listening. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you, I do not know much about you. Do you have children?
No, ma'am, I'm unmarried.
Yeah, okay, no problem. So with whom you would like to spend more time in family?
Mom, dad.
Mom, dad. Okay. Fine. What do you think? Why you are not able to spend time?
Because of my like other office
Other-
work, along with that, like working on my own skill sets, which I schedule on a day apart from
Right.
working hours.
Okay. So looking at your schedule, if you are not able to, spend 2 to 3 hours, would you like to reduce little time and, make a more qualitative time than the quantitative time?
Yes, yes, yes.
So if you have to reduce something, what is it that you will reduce? How many hours you will reduce? Or
Screen time, maybe 1
no,
hour.
not like that. I'm saying instead of spending 2 to 3 hours with mom and dad, do you think
Yeah.
it is possible to have 2 to 3 hours looking at your lifestyle? Or you
Yeah.
would like to have maybe, for example, 1 hour, but
1
maybe
hour, yeah. Yes.
such a quality time that, that is the time my mobile is off, everything is off. Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it feasible?
Yes, ma'am.
Will that 1 hour will make you really happy that yes, without mobile phone, I'm just sitting with my parents? Will you
Yes,
become
ma'am.
happy?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Great. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me stop. Have you done such a way with yourself? What I will suggest to you today, you have this week. Just imagine, we entire time in a week and life, we will keep on creeping about, my career, my career, my career. You have to just spend 1 hour in a week. And that 10 people, you will be able to reach 30 people in a month. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Please understand all the challenges which you have to sit with that challenge, think how much time you want to spend, and don't like, for example, in today's time, you cannot spend 2 to 3 hours per day with someone. You can just be there, and being there may not help you. What is important for you? When I'm with you for 1 hour, then nothing is with me, I'm with you only. Can I do that?
Where we need to
Can-
interact with each other.
yes, right? So please understand, am I making sense to all of you? You today, if you're looking at it, I'm telling you, today after the session, keep everything aside, work on this wheel, and you will see the huge difference. Most of the time, we are carrying only worries along with us, and that worry is thinking about future, thinking, oh, I'm not able to do it. Oh, I'm not able to do it. Oh, I'm not able to do it. Sit 1 hour for your career, can't you give in 1 week? And take your career ahead. Very important, make it very, very specific. I want a good job. I want a good job. I want a good job. What is a good job for you? And this is called wheel of life. If you are working really well on this, it will certainly help you. What do you think? Let me know in the chat box. How did you find this tool for yourself? And Mansi, you will be able to find it very useful when you will actually work on it.
I'll work on this after the session. I'm sure.
Absolutely. Keep asking the questions. And the dead words like good, I want extra, excellent, these words should remove. Make specific. What is a good job for me? How do I define my good job? Right? What is health for me? Because till the time you don't put numbers, if you don't clear it, you will always have a stress. And believe me, and there is what 80-20 rule comes into the picture. You know what is 80-20 rule is?
No, ma'am.
80-20 rule gets applicable in life every time. Let me tell you what is that rule is all about. Very, very important rule. Everywhere it gets applicable in our life is called, what is the principle? That, just a minute, that if 20% of the time, if you really work qualitatively, you will get 80% things done. In a day, you don't have to even work for 8 hours. Let me tell you. I'm giving you one mantra today. You don't have to work on your time. You have to work on your energy. You don't have to work on your time. You have to work on your energy. See when is your highest energy. It can be in the night. It can be in the morning. It can be in the afternoon. And you know it very well. You always say, one thing, in the morning, I work really well. In the afternoon, I will finish everything in the night. You're a night person. You're a morning person. What kind of person you are? And when your energy is very high, that is the time you have to do almost 80% of your work. Can you do that? And there is a very nice line, eat that frog first. That means the thing which you don't like. What is it that we do? If you have to take 2 medicines, you take a bitter medicine first. And then you take sweet medicine. Oh, I'm feeling better. Am I right? In the similar way, you have to eat that frog first, which one you hate to do. You keep on postponing all the time. Let me do it that first. Just see your energy will go high. See when is your energy is very high, and that is the time you do work. And that's the reason you will see best entrepreneurs get up early in the morning. What you hate to go to workouts, do that. You don't get time to read books, do that. You need to send some business proposals, send that. And by 9 o'clock, they say my day, whatever I want to do is over. I'm available for my team now. And that is 80-20 rule. If you focus really well on your 3 hours work, I'm telling you, your life will be really, really manageable. And for that, you need to certainly make certain sacrifices. And what are those sacrifices? Please check your energy drainers. You know, energy drainers. What are energy drainers? Very important for, I don't have to say, everyone knows about it. Unnecessary emails, unnecessary Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I'm very active on everything, but you will see it will not drain me out. Why? Because I have an alarm. Until that time, I will not see it at all. But I need to be there. Very important, your gossip. Please find out people who are energy drainers for you. They will always give you negative vibes. Movies. Believe me, I find it really relaxing. When I am on Netflix, I feel really good. It gives me stress buster. Social media gives me stress buster. But when I'm having it in a proper way, not too much. So this is one wheel which I wanted to give you. Now, are you ready for the another thing? Yes. One more tool which as I told you, one more tool I would like to give it to you. I will give you right now 1 minute. What is the time? 1 minute or 1 minute 30 seconds. I'm giving it to you. What you need to do is on your notebook, you need to make the list of the things which you want to do. Not in life, whatever comes to your mind. Like for example, right now it can start. I have to make dinner. I have to make prepared for tomorrow. Tomorrow's, I need to go to office. Then whatever I want to do, I want to send emails. I want to check WhatsApp. I need to send proposal. Just make a list of your things. Please, 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 please. Just go on. The time has already started. Just make a list on your. If you're taking it on mobile, you can just, WhatsApp to yourself or something like that. But make a list. Make a list. I'm giving you enough time. Whatever comes in your mind, just make a list. It can be anything. You want to go and see doctors. You want to buy some plants. Whatever it is. Just make a list of it. You need to go to the salon. You want to shop certain things on Amazon or anywhere. You want to cut your nails. It can be as simple as that. That's your task, isn't it? Great. Now the time is up. Time is up. You can stop. No problem. Okay. You have the list ready with you, all of you now? Great. Now we are going to see one model. And so very wonderful, effective model, which we are going to see. Some of you might be also knowing it. And this is called 4D model of time management. What is it? 4D model. This model is on two ways. One is importance, that is here low importance, this is high importance. And urgent, this is not so urgent, and this is highly urgent. Okay, so now what we do, we say this as a D1, say it as a D2, say this as a D3, and say this as a D4. Okay, let's have a look at it. D1 is important but not urgent. Important but not urgent. Okay, like for example, I need to send a proposal to one of the companies of a training. I have also asked them that, I have to design it, customize it. It will take a lot of time. So I have taken the time from them till Monday. Is it important work? Yes. But is it urgent? No. Do I have time in hand? Yes. So this is how. Another D2 is urgent and not important. So let's do one thing. Let's go one by one. In your list, find out which are the D1. Find out. Important is there. It is important, but not urgent. You have a time. Just mark D1 in front of those tasks. Great. Now what we are doing? D2. Do it immediately. So for example, making a dinner can be do it immediately. Okay, urgent and important. What is it? Do it immediately. So go to your list, find out what is urgent and important. D2. Write D2 in front of that. Now let's come to D3. Do it later. That is not important and not urgent. Do it later. For example, I need to talk to my friends and relatives. Yes, it is not important and not urgent, but I will give a timeline for this. I can do it later. It is not today. It is not today. And D4 is urgent, but not important. Just see what is it. What is it they are saying? If it is D3, arrange a timeline. I want to talk to my close friends. It is not urgent. It is not important. I will talk to them on next Friday for sure. Can I just ask them and, I will send the Zoom link and let's meet at Friday, 6 o'clock on Zoom next time. Block it. So what I have done, I have arranged a timeline. D4, urgent but not important. Find out any work which someone else can do for you. Many times you feel that everything I have to do, I am the superwoman and superman. No, please think about it. Is there anything, I'm telling you, the person who can help you can be your child, can be your partner, can be your spouse, can be your parents, can be your app. Please understand, apps can also do a lot of things. Can be a team member. What is it that I can delegate? And let me tell you, not about this work-life balance, but delegation will certainly take you ahead in life. Please understand this, in your career also. But problem is this, हमें अपना काम खुद करना होता है. We want to do everything by ourselves. Think about it. Do you think, can you do this every day? Make a things to do list and just put D1, D2, D3, D4, D4. Can we do that? Why not, Abbas? We can. Find out the right person. If I have to do everything, I may not be able to do everything. I may not be able to justify. I would also like to tell you, before I take question from Asmita, that is, please understand one thing. Multitasking, you have to think about it. Okay, we think multitasking is good, but all the people who are going ahead in their career, they don't do multitasking. And there is a reason for it. Because please understand, to switch, there is a psychological research I'm telling you right now. To switch your mind, your brain takes 17 minutes to restart. What are we doing? We are asking our brain to do ये करो, वो करो, वो करो, वो करो, वो करो, what? And you feel exhausting this is. Please tell me yes or no. Please let me know yes or no. Because then you are cooking, you're doing this,
Yes,
then you're
ma'am.
email, you know, instead of that, do one thing at a time. You will not feel exhausted and you will do the same work. So you have to take everything with a pinch of salt. Really, is multitasking is great?
Based on the
Yes.
time situations.
See, multitasker, I'm not saying that, you know, you have to do everything at a time. Multitasker is also managing all the tasks in a given time. That can be also multitasker. Who knows that, you know, you have done it at a one time or what? How many times it happens with you that, you know, you go on WhatsApp and forgets, oh, मैंने किसके लिए WhatsApp खोला था? I don't even remember what message I wanted to send. And then you're gone. Sometimes you open the fridge and you say, why did I open the fridge? Because this is all, it is impacting our mind and brain now. 17 minutes, your brain needs that time. What is it that you're uploading, downloading, uploading, downloading? How you, the gears are changing? And whoever is clapping for this, you need to think about it. And believe me, today, at least one day tomorrow, think that I will do one thing at a time. I will make a list. I need to send emails. Let me send emails that time. I will make a list. How many emails I need to send? Okay, I need to send offer letter to someone. I need to send full and final settlement to someone. I need to send proposal to someone. I need to send, you know, approval of my leaves. When I go on portal, my employees' leaves, I have to approve. There are certain things. So these are the things I will do when between 11 to 1 to 12. Great. After that, I will not check my inbox. Then what? I will spend time on maybe social media between 12 to 1 or 12 to 12:30. Great. Enjoy that time, at least that is wherever you are. Right. So I hope very important thing for all of you is check the wheel of your life, where you are, in which area you want to work, and which area is urgent for you to work. Ask those questions. Ask those questions. And believe me, your parents, your partner, they don't ask time from you 8 hours, sit with them and talk to them. They just say 1 hour, 30 minutes, one phone call. But when the phone call is going, speaker pe rakhe, this should not happen. Otherwise, that is a problem. Be with them. I'm telling you, take this in writing from me. The person who is very close to you, it can be your child, your mother, father, it can be even your boss, anyone. Spend 20 minutes in a day without any interruption. Your relationship starts getting nurtured. 20 minutes. And timer lagao. Best is timer. And then you will keep, and this is again the experience, you will keep on resetting that timer. It is so, it's a therapy when you talk to people without any distraction. It's a therapy. So here I will say,
Very positive.
yes, very positive, very relaxing. And here I will say, these are the tools I wanted to give you today. One is Wheel of Life, and second is 4D models. 4D model, you can write A, B, C, D. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4. You can color your calendar. Anyhow you can do. But you need to take care of it. And
Yes.
that's the only way. That's the only way to work on your so-called work-life balance. I will not say work-life balance. It is a work and life harmony, because work is also important. Life is also important. Life is depending on work. Work is depending on life. So try to bring life to work. Enjoy your work. That will help. Now I will open, if you have any questions, anything, please let me know. I think in the chat box, I think my team also has shared some, our courses information which ProTouch conducts: HR Generalists, HR Analytics, Tableau, Analytics for Managers. These are the wonderful programs a ProTouch is giving. Posh TTT, and I can see many participants are also there from the same courses. Feel free to reach us if you need any information. If you have any queries, let me know. Thank you, Asmita. Thank you so much for this. Yes?
Dr. Aparna, I have a question for you.
Sure, Dr. Himani, please.
Okay, I follow you on different social media platforms, and you just mentioned that everybody has, one time frame when they are on their maximum energy. Where do you get so much of energy from that? Every time you are like optimum energy levels.
The
I
brain
think
or
that,
mitochondria for the evening, ma'am.
see, I think that is the blessings also. Very important when people are there who keep on talking to me on all the social media handles. That also energizes me. Now, for example, before even starting this meeting, I just made one reel. Okay. And people ask me, how can you make that 30-second reel? Oh, it takes time. I don't look for perfection. How I'm looking, what is happening. Do it.
Embracing our
Sometimes,
flaws.
Yeah. It doesn't, and acting is something I'm blessed with, Dr. Himani. And you will see, I decide now whichever reel comes next funny, I will do that. And then that comes, Hamara Neta Kaisa Ho, pink color ka. That,
I loved that one. I went laughing, hilarious.
that gives you break also.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, in my life, I miss friends. I have very less friends. But when I give training programs, when I connect people on social media, I feel good. But if it is taking away your peace, then that is a source of stress. That is a source of stress. So you have to look into that, how it is and what mode you're operating from. So it is not like that every time I have to look good. I think that is something which all we have to, get over. I think that is the highest pressure we carry. I have my flaws and I'm still beautiful. God has given me great body. God has given me great life. That's all. Isn't it?
That you are.
So spread kindness, spread smiles, spread happiness. I think that works wonderfully. Right? Because that is a social pressure is very high on us. And especially on Instagram and all other fields. So let it be. I'm like this. I do not do it for followers. I do it for myself. Things will follow. Okay. Keep doing exercises. Keep doing meditation is very, very, very important. There should be some ritual which all we should follow. There is a one video called Secret of Life on YouTube. It's a 30 minutes video. I listened to that video because there is no anything else. And that listen to that video 30 minutes, and believe me, it has changed my mindset. That is there in your, because this is important for you. It's most important for you. So what thoughts? Okay, people come and disturb you, that is a different thing. But how many times you disturb yourself? How many times, oh, I'm not looking good. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I'm not getting appreciation. Oh, look at my body, look at my height. Oh, अरे क्या कर रहे हो? Get over these thoughts slowly. And you have to look at yourself as a third person. I do that, Dr. Imani. I'm not lying. For example, God has given me. So when I look at my life, when I look at my day, when I look at myself, I look at it from a third perspective. Okay, Aparna, you have done a good job. It was your birthday today. It was this thing. It was that thing. So talk from the third perspective as you. Believe me, it will bring a huge change. Because this is not your life. This is not you. Someone has given it to you. And you need to take care of it. Because you have to answer someone. Philosophy lagegi, but this is what life is. Over a period of time, we will certainly get.
Your sessions are very, very helpful. They're very positive. I get a very positive vibe from your sessions, and somehow I tend to implement that in my life.
Great. That's so nice. See, this is how people say. I show them sometimes, messages, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. I need your help. I need your help. Can I spend some time? Earlier, I used to be, हाँ, जब जॉब चली गई कि अपर्णा की याद आ गई, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि अपर्णा की याद आ गई. पहले मुझे गुस्सा आता था, but now I think that's good. In bad times, people think about you. Good time, no, that is okay. They don't call you on marriages and everything. Fine. It's okay. They don't call me on parties. It's okay. But when they're in pain, they call me. I think that's the place. So on an average, every day, 3 messages I receive. I need to talk to you. Can you spend some time? I think help people, die empty. Okay. Any other question you have? Anything about courses, any career or anything? I can see many students are here, but those who are new joinees who are joining here, I hope you are in touch with our career advisors. Do get in touch with them. And if you want to have any talk with me, feel free to talk to me, through them. That will be really great. Thank you. Thank you, Rashmi. So have a wonderful day, night, and life ahead. Don't be very harsh. Balancing is tough. Balancing is tough. Okay. If you have to run long run, then balancing will be very tough. So don't try to balance. Try to bring life to work. That is what I will give a tip. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And someone is saying Dr. G. Thank you so much. Shalini, okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good night. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, before we leave, few people must have left. What kind of webinars you would like to have more?